Welcome back to my channel. I'm Nexomera, and here I show you all the cool things that I discover and find, especially on Amazon and TikTok. We did not yet have a whiteboard to put on the fridge. That way we can write down things we need, things we want for like groceries and whatnot. This is what I got. It is super simple. It comes as a 2-pack, and as you can tell, it's just a little sticky magnet. It came with 2 of them so we can separate food and things we need here in the non-food items, and we can categorize them with different colors, and it has an eraser all in the same package. We're just going to take a peek into the fridge here. I've not been able to find this size and this flavor anywhere in stores. I only find them online. It's a small little protein drink for my son because he needs to work on gaining weight. The big ones are too big, but these are just right. Perfect for him to drink in the morning. Now we can actually tell whether the dishes are clean or if they're dirty. Also, not to worry if your dishwasher is not magnetic. It actually comes with double-sided sticky things that you can stick to them and stick on your dishwasher. That's exactly what I did here. It's like this is plastic, not magnetic. So very handy. I love it. There's a little something that we have not kept in the house for a while. I'm so happy we purchased some more. It's the beloved G Fuel in the Miami Nights flavor, my favorite. If you're looking to replace energy drinks or if you're looking to make that cheaper, right here. Right here, baby, I got the goods. I'm still in the process of washing these up, but I also got a whole 50-pack of 30-ounce meal prep containers. Can you say easy on the go lunches? I think yes. These I have in the snack bag, but I've been dying to try the big rolls. Oh, I hope they are so good. I'm not gonna open them until I'm with my kids. We're all gonna try it together. These are actually seaweed rolls. They are actually rolls. Oh, I cannot wait to try them. So excited for that. Unfortunately, I lost my old pair of Beats during the move, so I had to buy a new one. But they were on sale and I bought them. I don't know if the sale is currently going on right now, but I got them for like half the price. How cool is that? I'm gonna save the best for last. Unfortunately, it is illegal to give my child a taser or pepper spray, so I found the next best alternative. My kids love going for walks, and of course I want to make sure that they're safe while still having their independence, so I got a 3-pack of safety alarms. This way my daughter can have one, my son can have one, and I can have one. I really hope they're just as effective. Doubtful, but this is what's legal. So this is what we're gonna go with. That's everything for the moment, and if you like anything you see, links are down below in the description, and no, I do not get paid for them yet. Maybe one day that day will come, but be sure to like, follow, and subscribe for more. The more subscribers I have, the more I can make commissions on these. I'll catch you in the next video.